I'm here with a brand new product from HOTO. This is their HOTO Auto Care Air Duster and Vacuum. This is an incredibly compact vacuum system you can use for your car. You can even use it for around the house, but the fact that you can use it specifically portable and it's very small thing at very little space makes it ideal for use in your vehicle. So you actually open that upside down. Got a manual right here. Got a nice storage bag for you to put all the pieces in. Then we've got the actual unit, it looks like here. There you go. Wow. That is so small. Here and here. Ton of accessories. That's interesting. Okay. So this is your filter. Clip that right on there. Right there is your empty tray. You can actually remove your filter by twisting it. It's got a lock and unlock. This comes down, you can lock it in place with that piece right there, which is really nice. Then from here, you can attach your accessories. You have a high speed, faster speed, and then an extra boost. Hold, turn on and off. That is really powerful. Then just twist, pull out. And now let's look at some of the other accessories we have. Nice. Okay, so as far as we go, we got some really good options here. This is a vacuum head with a built-in teeth piece. So if you want to like pull dog fur off of your car, you can roll that on there. It'll pull the dog fur off and then be sucked into this little compartment here. This one right here is really good for like the actual crevices, kind of getting in there. Really nice. I like that little mouth. It's very solid. Also, I love how it just kind of like lays perfectly on the unit. It balances that out really nice. And then we've got this head here. There you go. That's good for small little pieces, maybe cup holders. And this is a swim ring. So what you do is you put this into inflatable like items like that, and that's going to basically be used to help fill those in. Now for those, we're going to take this, I'm going to flip this around, and we're going to attach that on this side. Now, when you turn it on, you can use this piece here as well as this piece here specifically for just pushing air out and using it as a duster, as well as on the other side using that as specifically a vacuum, which is really, really cool. So let's go take this, let's actually go use this on our vehicle. We'll be right back. couple things we want to talk about a little bit more. On the unit right here, you'll notice that this is where the charger plug gets plugged in for the USB-C, which is really nice. And then also, give you this little item here to help you kind of clean out the filter if need be, which you can just pull right out. And then you can take this unit here take that piece out, then you can take the cage off, and then you can actually clean out the filter as much as you need to, as well as the cage if you have to. And pop the cage back on to prevent it from getting gunk stuff in there. Close that off. And then you can push that right back into the bottom of that item. And you're ready to go again whenever it's filled up with too much gunk. Hopefully you guys found that helpful. Hopefully you guys picked it up for yourself, and we will see you guys next time. Bye.